Yo, what's going on guys? Sanjesh here. So today in this video we are gonna be making a mini travel fan which can make it at home easily. So let's get started. The materials that we require are 2 pieces of cardboard, 1 motor, 1 clip connector, 1 switch, 1 9V battery and 1 fan. Cut a hole in the center of both of the cardboards. Now stick a small piece of cardboard to the bigger piece of cardboard using the glue gun. Stick small pieces of cardboard to all 4 sides of the cardboard using the glue gun. Now stick the motor to the center of the cardboard using the glue gun. Now solder the negative terminal of the battery to the motor. Solder an external wire to the switch. Now solder the external wire from the switch to the motor. Solder the positive terminal of the battery to the switch. Now stick the cardboard using the glue gun. Now fix the battery and a fan. Now our travel fan is ready. Let's check it's working. Thanks for watching guys. Drop a like and then hit the subscribe button.